Alright, so happy late 4th of July. Hope you guys had a good time and all that stuff. And went to Best Buy today. I was given a gift card. And I went out and I bought myself a little CPU cooler. I meant to buy some RAM, but the RAM that was on sale was no longer on sale anymore. So I got this little guy instead. This is actually a rebranded Cooler Master, I believe. Right? So I picked it up, and it looks pretty cool. I read about it, and they said basically the reason why it's rebranded is because it didn't meet the standards of Cooler Master, I guess. Like there's maybe a bent fin or something like that, or maybe the base plate's not perfect or some junk like that. But it's still very very usable. It's not junk. You know what I mean? So anyways, I picked it up for I think $17. This was on sale at least. And I'm gonna throw this into my other case that I put together over the weekend. So, anyways, let me go ahead and open this up real quick, and you can kind of see what's inside. All right, so I'll put a list what CPUs it supports. It's basically AMD 2, 3 plus like that, and Intel's. It's really easy from my understanding to install on AMD CPUs. It's real simple. If you're an Intel user, I think you have to do a little more work, a lot more brackets, I guess, or whatever. But anyways, here it is. It's pretty big. Some basic stuff here, like your instruction manual, of course. Right. Here's all the brackets. You have an option for, a second fan. Those two long sticks right there. Here's your AMD, that little cross thing right there, and the little latch is this right here. And all this other little black pins are for your Intel CPUs. But anyways, I think there's also some paste in there. Yeah, there it is. So that's cool, it came with that. So anyways. Alright, this is going to go to my second computer that I just built recently, which is basically a bunch of used parts that I threw into one case that I bought off of eBay. I'll show it to you in a minute. There's this guy right here, some paper, I guess, just to protect the bottom. And here's this thing. There we go. It's a rocketfish. Little clips and little 4-pin header. There it is. There's that at the bottom. I believe that's a 92 millimeter. So anyways, this is going to go in my other case. It's a dual-core AMD. On my other older motherboard. So I'm going to take off this little pad right here, this little thing. Check out if it's smooth or not, because that's what I've been hearing, that one reason why they get relabeled as a rocketfish is because the bottom portion is not as smooth, or there's a little flaw or something. It looks alright to me. I do see this right here though. That looks a little bent, but compared to that side. There we go. Anyways, let me stop this real quick. Okay, so here's the bottom. As you can see, it does look a little rough. To the touch, it's pretty smooth, but yeah, there is some gouges in there. I guess using maybe like a 600 grit or maybe 1,000 grit of sandpaper to help lap it down a little bit would help it. But I don't have any on me at the moment, so I just have to make do. There are some imperfections. Kind of see right there. There it is, and there's like a cut, not a cut, but like a little scratch up there somewhere. But anyways, you kind of see what it's like up close. So anyways, let me show you the case I got off of eBay. Okay, here's that cheap little PC case I bought off of eBay for I don't know, I think $15 or something. I can't really recommend it because the build quality is really bad, but you get what you pay for. You know what I mean? I just wanted to put my old hardware into it, and that's pretty much what I'm doing. That's the only way I can really recommend it. If you just got some stuff laying around, you just want to put into a case, then this is fine. But yeah. Anyways, there's no optical drive yet. I installed everything through USB. I think I gave 100 gigs to Windows and the rest to Ubuntu. But I'm debating whether I'm going to keep it Ubuntu or not. Maybe Fedora or maybe OpenSUSE or something, later on. So that's what I'm going to be replacing. And with that, of course, this PC is going to be in my room. It's really hot in there, so I think I'll benefit from that. And not only that, I can overclock it too. It's an overclocking board. That's also a cheap product I bought too. I bought off eBay. It was an open box item, so I took a risk on it. It's a 520 watt. Paid I think $20, and it works just fine. So yeah. Anyways, I'm probably gonna boot into Ubuntu now and get some like a baseline of how hot it runs with that cooler. Then put that guy into it and see what difference it makes. So I'll be back in a couple seconds. Alright, so I'm back on my desktop now, and I took some pictures of the installation. It was pretty easy, real straightforward. It's make sure you just remove any type of wires or video card that's in the way. There we go. That's with it off, of course, the old one. I do have some generic RAM, so there's no like heat sink that gets in the way at all. If you have something more expensive, of course, you might run into a problem there. You'll see what I mean in a minute. That's the thermal piece that comes with, along with extra hardware to add another fan if you wanted to. There's it all clean. Some paste. And this is what I mean. When you add the fan here, you might hit your RAM over here. So if you have something that's bigger than that, you can rotate this. You have to, of course, unlatch it and move the latch crossways, and this will point down if you wanted to. And that's it all done. Anyways, what I did was I took some pictures rather than screencast, because I know the screencaster does a little bit more. It's more taxing on the CPU, so it will probably give me a hotter reading than just with it off. So anyways, this is it with before the change out, right? This is my average reading, I guess. Well, not really average, but this is what at idle is what I'm trying to say. Is 40 degrees. Well, this is my 2 cores right here. The next one is watching a YouTube video, have a couple tabs open in Firefox. It raises up quite a bit, 47 degrees Celsius. Then at full load, I think I'm encoding or decoding a video with a handbrake, and it shoots up to about 71 degrees, right? And this is after. So I'm down to 32 at idle degrees Celsius. And again, just watching a YouTube video with Firefox or whatever, a couple tabs open, everyday use, I guess, and it's at about 43, 48, 44, right? And then at full load again, encoding a video with handbrake, it shoots up to about 55 degrees Celsius. So that's in a room that's really hot, right? About high 80s, low 90s. It's pretty hot in here, even with the air conditioner on. So anyways, what I could do is my BIOS does have a fan controller. I could set the fan to like 100% if I wanted to, but that'd just be really noisy. I'm not really pushing for that. So anyway, it kind of gives you an idea of what this thing is capable of, and it's not bad. I like it. So anyways, I guess that's it for now. I'll post my stuff, my specs and all that stuff in the description down below, along with the readings and everything else. So anyways, that's it for now, and I'll see you guys later.